Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I'm currently short and long in Bitcoin currently. My long position was placed during the AM, New York AM session, and my short position was placed during the New York PM session. I'll walk you through what I have on my charts top down. So starting here on the daily chart, you can see this price action here on the daily chart. Bitcoin is very bullish here. And my target currently to the long side is this buy side liquidity resting above this level here. This is the high for the month of August. So my trade idea is a sweep of this level. This candle here is yesterday, and you can see with this price action here, there are leaving behind large fair value gaps here. So this is moving pretty quickly to the buy side. So at some point this is may likely want to retrace down into these fair value gaps, but I'm not certain if that's going to happen this week or this trading week. Bring your attention down here to the 60-minute. So this here, I'll zoom in on this. Come in on the 60-minute. Right here is a fair value gap. That fair value gap this morning was traded down into, you can see this down close candle here, trades into this fair value gap, tests this order block here, and then price delivers back to the buy side here, consolidates some sell side, and then buy side here, leaving behind another fair value gap. And now price is putting in a failed swing here. So we can see the price delivery to the buy side here, sell side into this fair value gap. So some traders are going to try to go long based off of this price action. But you can see here, price has traded up into this order block here, this bearish order block right here. Making a mess of this here. This bearish order block here. Price comes up and tests that and is now redelivering to the sell side here. So I would anticipate there's a higher probability than not that if price delivers below this level here, price will likely return up into this level before returning back to the sell side, and this would be this would likely be the area of the of a mitigation block in this area that would come back and retest and deliver to the sell side. And for my short trades, I'm targeting the sell side liquidity resting below this low here on the 60-minute. And all of these have the same stop loss and target. So my stop loss is back here, and my take profit is here, this 119,282, which is a sweep here into sell side. Then I would anticipate this here, this order block here, to potentially allow price to redeliver to the buy side up here to the daily, to this buy side liquidity here. And then if we come over here to the 15-minute, you can see I take a series of trades here in the afternoon that deliver to the sell side here, getting pulled back, this being the mitigation area here, or mitigation block area here. And I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but this trade here from this morning, I know I mentioned the fair value gap, but this was what this trade was based off of. I actually missed this trade in the morning. Actually, I took it, but I did not take it at the correct place. I wound up getting a slightly better price, but I'm not exactly happy with my entry here. I'm having trouble finding it on the 1 minute. It's getting pretty extended here. Okay, here. So you can see here on the 5 minute in this area, price skips here. There's a gap in price here from the close of this candle and the open of this candle. Price comes back down and rebalances here. This would have likely been my area of entry here. It's a little neater on the 1 minute. I actually caught this on the way down here. That I don't want to do anymore. Not getting confirmations before taking positions. I want to hold off on doing that. And let's see if we can pull the 1 minute up for these sell side. For these here. Okay. Let's come over here. Okay, here on the 1 minute. There's an entry here. This area here. This is all fair value gap. This whole area is fair value. So this would have been the place to go long instead of catching it over here, letting it draw down. Catching it over here would have been the appropriate position to trade it in. And then for the short positions, they're up here. So this high gets put in here. And then so this high gets put in. This level here is traded below. You get this candle here closing below this level. This creates a market structure shift here, and price breaks down here even past this level. So I took my first entry here. These are actually both of the entries right here at this level. Took my first entry. I was slightly unprepared for the trade. I just went to the restroom, came back, and this thing had done this. So trying to catch it on the way back up, I was able to get an order in, but I wasn't able to assess my risk. So it was just the last risk amount that was on. So I waited for pullback and added to the position here. And then with this closure here, price pulls back, as I mentioned, comes back to retest, fails to close below that level, pulls back. I take an entry here. Take an entry here as price comes back to test this order block here. And then I take another entry here as price comes back to the mitigation block area, and there's also a fair value gap here. So I took an entry as price pulled back to the swing low, the area of market structure shift for this price leg, and took the entry here. And this was at the close of the New York PM session. And since then, we've had pretty consistent sell side delivery here, coming into now the Asian range. And then for perspective on the 15-minute, I'll be looking for price to come down and sweep out the sell side liquidity here, and likely return to the buy side here over the course of the trading overnight into Asia and London. Likely see after this sell side sweep a return to buy side delivery. Finally got my act together a bit here today. I was trading at times that I don't need to trade at. Had some some timing issues as far as in trying to time some GMT times, so I had the wrong time, so I was trading at the wrong times. And then this morning, all of this stuff here is FOMO, and then I started getting it together down here, started improving what I was doing down here, and then that's being reflected right here. So doing a bit better now that I've got some better, let's say, direction with this ICT material. So big ups to Callisto FX. I've been using some of their materials, and it's definitely refining some of the ICT work I've already done directly from the ICT content, and big ups to ICT as well. But if you'd like to know more, you can visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade